Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a key fob to a Ford car. And this might be a common fob for Ford Focuses, Escorts, Explorers, Edges, and Expeditions. So if you have any of those Ford cars, your fob may look like this. Well, one question you may have is, how do you change the battery of these fobs? And so I'll show you how to do that today. So taking a look at this fob, you just turn it around and you notice there's a little switch here, but when you kind of push it, nothing quite happens. Well, here's an interesting little factoid. There's actually a key inside the fob, and this little lever here, you can just kind of pull it with your nail, kind of triggers a little switch, which if you can stick your fingernail underneath this little flap here and hit this switch, you can bring out a key, and this key will work on your car. So next, just take this little key that came out and kind of stick it right here where it came out, just like that, but not all the way. What you want to do is kind of use it to kind of pry off this back, and this is where the battery is. So you just kind of apply a little bit of pressure. It pops off the back. And there you go. There's your battery. And so to remove this battery, I'm just going to take a little tiny screwdriver here, this little spot right here. You can kind of pry it open and pop it out just like that. And if I could zoom in right here, you will notice that it is a CR2032 lithium 3-volt battery. And so I do have some replacement batteries, so I'll just open this up and grab myself a replacement battery. There you go. Now again, the positive side is on the bottom, and it actually shows you the positive right there. And so the way you want to put this in, you notice this little kind of little metal spring on that side. So you want to put it in this way. So you kind of push it in. You push in that little spring and it just sits in just like that. And then you just want to put it back together again. So you just kind of apply the halves, and then just with a little bit of pressure, you pop it in until it clicks. You take your spare key, which you may or may not know you had, and you just put it back in where it belongs. Just like that. And there you go. That is how you change the battery in your Ford fob. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.